Take your books in your hand and try to understand the working of an electric torch. How does an electric torch work? So, dear students, you must have seen the interior of a torch. While we insert the cells or we bring out the cells when they are down, we need to recharge them. We need to change the cells sometime in the remotes also. So we have seen the interior of this torch or any remote. Let us talk about the torch here. It has two or three cells placed in such a way that the positive end of one cell touches the negative end of the other cell. While inserting the cells in our remotes, we see that when in the remote of LED we insert cells, we connect the positive to negative, we take care of this. So in each and everything, in all the equipments which are operated with the cells are arranged in such a way that positive end of one touches the negative end of the other, and the cells are in the series. These cells are the source of electric current in that equipment, and they are connected through a switch to a small bulb. The negative terminal presses against the spring at the base of the torch, and the positive terminal presses against the metal tip at the base of the bulb. So there are three metal strips you can see, A, B and C. They are connected. See how they are connected. A is the part of the switch and B is connected with metal case of the bulb and C is connected to the spring. So metal strip B and C are fixed while A can be pressed and made to slide. So A can be pressed and it can slide. We can slide it, we can use it. So when we slide it, what happens? When the switch is pushed to the on position, means the metal strip A is pushed forward so that it touches B and C. Then what happens? When A is pushed forward, it touches B and C and the circuit is completed, which causes the bulb to glow. And when the switch is pushed to off position, the contact between the A and B is broken and the circuit it becomes incomplete and the current does not flow and the bulb does not glow. So A acts as a switch. Let us revise once again what happens in an electric cell operated torch. When A is pushed, circuit is completed and it starts glowing, and when A is pushed off, it doesn't have any contact with B and C, the circuit is broken, it is incomplete and the bulb does not glow. So A acts as a switch to complete the circuit. So all depends on A. When we slide A. We use A to switch on or off torch.